Life, oh life, oh life, oh life. Life, oh life, oh life, oh life. I don't forget the rhythm. But this life.
The sweetest part of that song now. Do 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 do. He did inside.
He did that.
That the sweetest part of that song.
That do part. That they try. Anyway.
I won't greet them. You start with life.
No, but you know. I tell you yesterday, you are a slow learner. Say, before you do, I don't like and back.
Ogumi.
Wait, Bele.
Hey, something just do me gijim. Yeah, now. It's okay.
Bele don't come.
It's not Bele. Welcome, Jare.
Hey, man, your lipstick. It don't show Bele fool.
You go chop Bele. You go chop Bele.
May your lipstick. May your lipstick. Oh, no play with Calabar boys, so.
You will not respect yourself.
No play Calabar boys.
Respect yourself.
I'm product of an Akwa Ibom man.
Respect yourself. Welcome, Jare. Paddy show.
My lipstick. What you want me?
Wounding.
What's
Paddy, start. Oh! Paddy, have started. Welcome on top of the show. Yes. My name Mayowa, in name Ogbolo. Together we are Magbolo. Magbolo.
All right.
All right. Okay. So yeah, we're going to get in real quick on a break, and then when we come back, we enter into the gist for the day. Yes, okay. Yes. Now the routine of Paddy since we don't start.
As usual, as normal.
As the normal something. Yeah. No worry, we'll go soon change that one day. One day. We go change them. But for now, yes. British explorer dies of dehydration, causing anthratic, just 30 miles short of goal. British explorer.
Okay.
British explorer.
Okay.
Dies of dehydration.
All right.
Crossing anthratic, just 30 miles short of goal. I'll explain. That's why we used to say some people see, I know say if they do this thing for your mind. If you say they do it for good cause. Okay. But for my own mind, I feel say now you cause your death.
Wow.
Joblessness is what I've worried you. British explorer Henry Worsley, he died because he won't be the first person to cross the Antarctic without any help. Now, in an epic charity mission, where we say that Ernest Shackleton, 55-year-old former British Army officer, died after being airlifted to a hospital in Punta Arenas. When he suffered severe exhaustion and dehydration. Now, he won't cross this Antarctic without any help. No water, no food, nobody, alone, singularly. He said because he won't beat the guy who started Ernest Shackleton. He won't beat in record. Now, so the guy killed himself. He trekked about 913 miles. I say 55 years old.
55.
He trekked 913 miles, and then when he died, remained only 30 miles to reach where they go.
Oh, close to the destiny.
I'm telling you, now with air lifting something and then carry and go hospital because he couldn't even move, breathe, nothing. You know when they say you suffer from severe exhaustion, that means say you don't tire. And then dehydration, no single water for your body.
Again. Well, anyway, like you talk, you know, Oyibo people, they like to they create new records. Now their own way. If not, many things they won't know today, we're not going to know.
If do them on their behalf.
But sometimes, for some of the records they try to create, some people they die put. Some people also try to climb them like Mountain Everest. They die for road. Some people don't climb them, you know. But we submit them for that one. They are known for that, you know. They will try to break each other's record. But along the line, you know, you got to take care of yourself and do the needful things. This one goes to the Oyibo the way they watch this show. You understand? If not try to make all those kind of move, equip yourself well.
And you get two children.
At least I get two children, not mine now.
Get two children.
But anyway, Sorry for the loss for the family. Una do. But please. If you be Naija person say you want beat anybody record for anything, try make sure say you equip yourself well. Because to beat that person record means say you got to carry double of what that person first carry. If now water carry 2 jerrycan, if that person use one do the first record and you want to beat the record, carry 2 jerrycan. So be okay. Example I give. Alright? Why you do face like who's not learned?
I don't. Hey, Egba me.
Alright, Egba you. Now, Lassa fever. We talked some days back about this whole Lassa fever and every. Now, government don't come back and talk another one now. And that's why it go. Commissioner of Environment, Dr. Babatunde Adejare. Adejare. On behalf of Lagos State government, some days back, he come issue quick notice, give street traders and hawkers inside Lagos State. Dr. Adejare talk say this particular waka they carry do so not to curb or to stop this particular issue of Lassa fever wey dey reign for the whole country like this. So he say as it be like this now, they don't put kai for outside to make sure they catch anybody when they sell market for road. Anywhere that the hawker move, I mean just pack your market people for one place they sell. They don't want to see anybody they sell for road again because they try control this Lassa fever matter for inside Lagos. So if kai will be kick against indiscipline for inside Lagos State. If they grab you and your market, they sell for road, you don't finish. They go move you and the market. When you will see your market, they don't even see you. But on top of the whole thing, they say people they never see here. Say they never see, they don't see here. Say opposite they don't talk. Lagos street hawkers and traders not see green here word. Say so anything what they do from now on make Lagos people them not shout say that they wicked because they don't draw ear for them. Say when I come up for road
because of personal hygiene.
So they say as they try to do that one, say make other people they waiting for house too. When they be traders or anything, make yourself do your own for your own house to make sure see your environment clean and your house safe they okay. Do not allow rats inside the whole level. And
because say Lagos people before anything go happen, Kini Kone Dandawa, you know if you reach us, my brother he dey reach. So please quantify your dirtiness.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
Try and turn a new leaf. Change for the better of yourself and your family members and the people around you.
My particular message goes to all those guys that when they keep dirty boxers.
Yes.
Please burn your boxers.
Yes.
If you just come out and you know see that boxer now
rats they chop boxers, so they chop.
They feed on boxers, dirty boxers. We don't carry to man.
They get long mouths, they pierce the boxers.
So they like that smell from boxers. So please, as you come out your boxers, you throw it, you burn them. Burn the boxers.
If you cannot wash it.
If you cannot wash it, you burn the boxers. And thank you very much. So they go on break now. After this break, we'll come back and they'll continue the rest of the show. All right? Not go anywhere. We'll come back right about now.
Burn it.
Burn it, oh. And even ladies, you know, catapult. We don't tire for life. Burn them too. Thank you. Oh, yeah. More try.
The headache will go worry you. You didn't know yourself. You want to put head of Amoto Tifankan.
Wake camera. Una welcome back. Una welcome.
Chai, this thing tough.
It's tough.
All right, back to the second part of my gist. Court don't sentence Nigerian undergraduates 24 years imprisonment over 25 million naira internet romance fraud. For inside, guess where? Male. You understand? Yeah. Justice Lateef Okunu of Lagos State High Court, where we say in seat for Ikeja, don't convict and sentence an undergraduate of Kuala Lumpur Metropolitan University of Malaysia. Hope Olusegun Aroke to 20 Aroke, I'm not sure, to 24 years imprisonment for his involvement for internet scam wey fetch am 4,000 reais, that's 25 million naira. A statement from the anti-graft agency EFCC stated that 25-year-old Aroke was arraigned before Justice Okunu on a 2-count charge bordering on obtaining money by false pretense, check cloning, wire transfer, and forgery. The court find him guilty of 2 charges and was sentenced to 12 years imprisonment on each of the 2 accounts. So now 4 things then allegate against him. 2 of them they find him guilty, 12 years each for him. And okay, then arrest him by anonymous petitioner where rights go give EFCC. Where talk say the Kogi State born undergraduates say they involved for inside these kind of things. Them the EFCC come start they do investigate. Now so them do catch them say all the internet worker now onto fraud something. As we they talk so as they won't go arrest them, then see 2 exotic cars. You know some people no get sense. Wait, you do fraud of 25 million. They can't see 2 exotic cars wey worth 23 million. You see why greed they keep people? Because if you buy car of 23 million, that means say you go want do more.
Now the
to take continue because you go get only 2 million remain. So if you can buy car one sitting of 23 million, that 2 million, that means say you go fit spend that in 1 week.
But thief money, no, they take and they do better thing. Thief
and you
money.
know say this same guy he gets 2 matters so where they never decide. One another justice be Idris. Still get matter with them where they never
make it sit down for the prison. Make it sit down for bad thing. We go always talk am. Now they go give Naija bad name for outside country. They will the babu na they go. This one no be say who they do that. For this one now we be judge.
You don't go promise one get marriage now. Tell her say send me this thing and I will love you forever.
And you Lagos girls, the Naija girls, when they like Malay boys. They will Malay you. Yeah. You will be Malayed because. You just see boy they drive G-Wagon up and down.
You don't know. You see at 22, 23, 24. Not be say he be artist. Not be say he go school. Not be say he do something. You don't even know what he do.
What business do you do? I'm a businessman.
I'm a businessman.
Who is business?
Businessman. I go flying and out
the country.
You don't know. Plus
which business
drugs,
they do?
plus internet fraud, plus Yahoo plus, all of the above. You don't know. You go. They will marry all of you together.
They're going to say, "Oh God, I thank God for giving me a hardworking man." How? Anyway,
his hard work is by paying for internet.
Okay. Every time you sit down in front of you, say I'm doing internet transaction.
The internet transaction are only for night and only with women.
Anyway, they catch them, abi. Olusegun out of many. If you do bad thing, come on hand. Na thiefing be this, na thief be this. Some people na arm robber.
Yes.
Some people na internet robber. So say you carry gun, abi you carry lapi, they do gidi. You are a robber. You are a robber. All right. Okay, for my own gist, no. Filmmaker will lose one of his eye when he's small. Now, as a say, he don't do filmmaking for some time. You just reason say, man, this one they carry camera up and down. Every time you want to film something, you want to documentary, they must carry big camera. They must carry plenty people enter inside forest or whatever documentary in one shoot. Now you reason the thing, say, okay, you get one bad eye, yo. Say, okay, what you go do now? Be say, you go turn that one eyeball. You go turn into camera.
Wow.
So they come put camera for the remaining eye way day, so that Ingo fit use that one until they record different documentaries them where Ingo do. Now the device where they hand be that, Ingo fit see with that eye right now, but anything with that particular camera for that eye they see, it is seen for that particular device with they for in hand. You understand? So actually one eye now for sight, the other one na camera. Say but as it be like this now, say people they laugh and when he doesn't want to do this thing that year. When you want to do and when you say want to do, people they laugh. Say but right now he don't do and they go. But even though he feel somehow about the thing, but last he don't do what he want to do. Or not to make his own business and he hustle, move forward. Say but as it be like this now, this thing don't come to stay. It don't come to stay. No changing back, no changing it, no going back.
But you get disadvantage. And because you cannot use it for more than 3 minutes at a time. If not, you go overheat, radiation.
You go overheat.
Yes. And the guy talks say, it got be like say they record every second of his life.
Now because every time camera this eye, so everything now they record.
Yeah.
Until imagine that kind of thing. Yeah. One day head video go boss. So we eye the hot. If you just go sleep, now they think.
Wow. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay,
put
this
it back on our own eyes.
I don't even know where this world they go now. I don't know the direction now.
The world is going crazy.
But any which way, you where they watch us, I bet just try remain sane.
Be sane.
No follow the one as they go.
Yes.
As they hurt you, they switch you, they enter your eye. No follow and go like that. Too.
Yes.
If not, you don't go know when you say you put yourself for trouble.
I agree with you. There are a lot of insane things going on in the world. My God, you have no idea.
Africa.
Woo!
Culture still hold us.
Whoa.
Culture still hold us for this country and Africa. You know, someone just hold our own back.
All right, let's go on a short break. When we come back, we give you the end.
Laugh.
Now laugh now. We'll give you the end.
I know say just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry dey go.